Stop wasting your money on 5 different streaming subscriptions every single month. Most Firestick users are trapped paying for apps they barely watch because they don't know the shortcut to the good stuff. But here's the catch. If you use these apps without protection, your internet provider is watching every move you make. Today I'm showing you the one secret code to unlock everything and the one step you must take to stay invisible. Welcome back to TechVibes. We're making your tech faster, cheaper, and more private. Let's get your Firestick fully loaded in under 3 minutes. The very first thing you must do is install a VPN. This is not optional anymore. A VPN hides your IP address, so your provider can't throttle your speeds or track what you're watching. Just search for a trusted VPN in the App Store, hit connect, and pick a server. This ensures that everything we do next stays private and secure. Now that your shield is up, go to your App Store and search for Downloader. It is a free tool that acts as your golden ticket to the apps Amazon hides from the front page. Install it and open it up. Before we enter the code, we have to flip one switch. Go to your Firestick settings, click on My Fire TV, and find Developer Options. Make sure Install Unknown Apps is turned on for the Downloader app. This unlocks the true power of your hardware. Here is the 2026 updated secret code. In the Downloader URL bar, type in 28907. This is a direct link to a curated app store that hosts every major utility and free streaming service available today. Hit go and watch the menu load up. Once you are in, look for the all-in-one media players. These apps organize your content and find free legal live TV streams. Because your VPN is running in the background, you won't deal with any regional blocks or annoying buffering caused by your ISP. You get all the news, sports, and movies in one clean interface. Pick 2 or 3 top-rated apps and install them. You will immediately notice how much cleaner your experience is without the constant ads and subscription prompts. Here is a quick bonus tip. If you want the fastest speeds possible, set your VPN protocol to WireGuard in the settings. It is the gold standard for 4K streaming and prevents any stuttering during live games. You just saved a fortune and secured your privacy at the same time. If this helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe to TechVibes for more ways to beat the system. Comment below and let me know which app you're installing first. See you in the next one.